Welcome to the Microsoft Tip Showcase, where we provide quick single-topic videos on how to do something within Microsoft 365 related tools such as SharePoint, Dynamics, Office, etc. In today's tip, we're going to be teaching you a tip from Excel on how to remove duplicates from columns. I have a particular spreadsheet that has 10,000 rows and a lot of them are duplicated, so I want to be able to quickly whittle that down to just the important data. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. To get started, we're going to switch over to the Excel spreadsheet I already have opened. Okay, so now as you can see, we're looking at a spreadsheet that's a really big spreadsheet here. Got a lot of duplicate data, and the key part for me is this prime email over on the right hand side. You'll see we have a lot of email addresses that are the same, and I don't mind sharing this kind of information because it's all on the internet already. It's public information from the Department of somewhere. So, but these people I want to whittle down. How do I do that? So the steps to get involved are you choose, and I'm going to do it one way, and I want to show you the error that we'll get that helps you. But I want to sort out the prime emails to only see the non-duplicates or the unique. So the way we do it is select the column. I select the column J. Then we come to the ribbon and click on the Data tab to open the Data ribbon. You'll see it open up here. Come on over here to the Data Tools command group, the Data Tools command group. Click on Remove Duplicates. When you click on it, it already tells you, I don't know if you read this error, but it's basically saying, hey, Neil, you got data all the way to the left of this. Do you want to use that or just use the current selection? And I absolutely want to filter it all. So I'm saying expand the selection, and then I'm going to click on Remove Duplicates. When I click on that, it asks me which duplicate values I want to get rid of, and really all I'm paying attention to is that email again, right? So not sure, okay, I can't zoom in there, but one thing to keep in mind is you want to choose my data has headers if it has headers, and it almost always does, right? So the yellow row is the headers. Now what I want to do is unselect all and choose the prime email right down here, because that's the one I want to filter on to only see the unique values. I'm going to press the OK button. And before I do, just remember over here on the right, you see Timothy Short. He's kind of our guy that we're watching, and you'll see the duplicates go away. So the first thing you notice is you get a message here saying that they completed it and they found 10,000, almost 11,000 duplicate values, and they removed those. That leaves 1,723 unique values remaining, which is awesome because this is a list of 11,000 people that I would like to reach out to and contact. And so now I've got the actual 1,723 emails. I'll say OK here. And now you'll notice Timothy, he's the guy I'm using as an example. He's got the one email. Anyways, I hope you found that helpful. I'm going to just really quickly show you one more time. I'm going to hit Control-Z, and I undid it. This time I'm going to come back and just show you again that I'm trying to filter out the duplicates. In this case, I'm going to choose the prime vendor. That's the one I want to do. So let's go ahead and choose the Data tab, which will open the Data ribbon. Go over to Data Tools, the command group there, and choose Remove Duplicates. Here it's talking about got data all around. Do you want to get all the data? And I'm going to say yes, expand the selection. Press the Remove Duplicates button. We already have the data has headers. I'm going to unselect all, and I'm going to say what I want you to focus on is remove the duplicate values from that prime vendor point of contact. And when I do that, press OK. And they removed almost 11,000 again, so we're doing pretty good there. Whittled it down, and so now I've got a unique person that I can reach out to and find them. So that was the remove duplicates out of Excel when you're working on a large spreadsheet. That concludes this lesson. I hope you found the tip useful as you continue to use Microsoft 365 related products in support of your day-to-day job. Please provide me with feedback in the comments, including suggestions for tips you'd like to see. If you found this tip helpful, please share it with others on one of the social media platforms or just give it a thumbs up. I'm your host, Neil McDonald with SV MacPack. I thank you for joining me today and hope you'll join us again for other tips.